Take a ride in the 2020 Countryman. The Countryman is a bright idea. 4 doors, more interior space, and positioning that evokes the rally heritage of the original Mini. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power tailgate, keyless entry, traction control, air conditioning, panoramic moonroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.